Hey, I'm Ryan and I'm a water rescue instructor with Boreal River Rescue. If you're looking at ice safety and rescue courses and wondering what the difference is between them, then stay tuned because in this 3-minute video, we're going to compare 3 ice rescue courses. 1-day ice safety workshop, 2-day ice safety rescue course, and a 3-day ice rescue technician certification. In short, the 3-day ice rescue technician course is for emergency responders. It meets and exceeds NFPA standards. The 2-day course is thorough training for anybody who travels on ice for work or recreation. And the 1-day workshop is great hands-on intro for groups looking to gain awareness of ice safety and get some experience in self-rescue and rescuing others. The only course open for individual registration is our 2-day ice safety and rescue course. If you're an individual or there are a few of you who want to join a public course, you can join one of these 2-day courses that we run throughout the winter across Canada. On the other hand, if you have a group and want to have a private 1, 2, or 3-day training program, then your instructors can travel to you. One way to think about these 3 different courses is to consider how much practice you're going to get and who you'll be responsible for when you're out there on the ice. The 1-day ice safety workshop is the perfect workshop for groups looking for a fun day or even a half day on the ice. The workshop is entirely customizable and it's perfect for workers, school groups, outdoor clubs, municipalities, and even great for corporate team building activities. And at the end of the day, everybody has the option to get into the water without the immersion suits. On the 1-day workshop, you'll get good awareness of how to assess ice conditions, so most importantly, you can keep yourself safe by avoiding sketchy situations. You'll also practice self-rescuing to gain the skills needed if you fall in. The partnered rescues we do in this course are simple, and we emphasize techniques where the rescuers stay dry. One comment we get from the course over and over again is, "I didn't expect it to be so much fun." The 2-day course is suited for winter enthusiasts and outdoor recreationalists, field technicians, scientists and researchers, non-specialized search and rescue volunteers, and anybody spending time on the ice either on their own or with a small group. If you're a winter enthusiast and you like to cross-country ski, skate, snowshoe, snowmobile, or ice fish on frozen lakes, this course is great for you. On the 2-day course, everybody has the opportunity to repeat the skills on different ice surfaces and on multiple days. We also get into more advanced rescue techniques. We realize that when you're out on the ice after your training, you won't necessarily have commercial rescue gear with you. So we learn and practice both techniques where rescuers stay dry, as well as direct contact rescues. The 3-day course for emergency responders gives the whole other day so that we are sure teams come out fully operational and ready to respond to incidents where they're called in to rescue others. The 3rd day provides opportunity to assure each rescuer's competence with all of the skills, but also allows us to do multiple team rescues and drills and scenarios using commercial rescue equipment such as long ropes and rescue boats. I hope this was helpful. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions. If you want to join a public course, you can book online anytime, and as soon as you do, you'll get a link to start your online prep. For group training, call, email, or fill out a contact form and we'll get detailed proposal to you as soon as we can, so we can get you started.